Okay, hello everyone. This is a special request video from one of our subscribers, Any Frosh. So, Any Frosh, if you are watching this video is for you specifically, but I believe everyone that also wants to benefit from this will be able to benefit. So, I'll be sharing how to make withdrawals in this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click this icon on the left, top left. So when you click on it, you come to finance, then you click withdrawal. Now, if this is your first time, you may not see all this, but if you come to this screen, you click this option that says payment method. Now, the payment method you use to deposit is also most likely the payment method you are going to use to make your withdrawals. So in this case, I use cryptocurrency. So if I click this payment method area, we have this these options for Ethereum, for Litecoin, for Theta USDT, the ERC20, and for Theta USDT, the TRC20. So in this withdrawal, I'll be using the TRC20. You understand? Now, the next section you have down here is called amounts. So now you can decide to withdraw everything you have in your balance. It's okay, especially when you are not using this promo code to make your withdrawals. But if you are doing that, then I probably need to do another video for that. But this one is just straight withdrawal. So I'll put in the balance here, which is 50.02 USDT. You can see, so it's down here. Now, if you click this, in this is where you put your crypto address. But remember, it was the TRC20 we used. So now, if this is your first time, what you need to do, you need to go to your wallet. It could be Binance, it could be Bybit, any of those wallets you have. So in this case, I'll be using Binance. So let's go to Binance. I'll go and copy my wallet address there. So we'll go to wallets, then I go to sports, then I'll click on withdrawal here. So I click on deposit here since we are withdrawing from Pocket Options. So click deposit, then I'll choose USDT. Then remember, we use the TRC20 protocol on Pocket Options, so we'll choose TRC20 as a network. So here now I can copy the deposit address. I'll copy it here. Then we go to the Pocket Option page where the address is, and you click here. You just simply paste it. Now, most of the time when I do this, I already have it kind of saved in Pocket Option. You understand? But if you don't have it saved, you copy it over there, then you paste it here, and that's it. So now the next thing you need to do now is just click continue. Now, if this is your first time making withdrawals and you click continue, a code will be sent to your email. So you copy that code, then you paste it. But in my case, I'm not sure the code will come here, so that's the reason why I'm mentioning it before I hit continue. So immediately I click continue here, you see what happens. So you get this message that withdrawal request has been sent. Your request has been queued. You will receive the fund within a few days. Usually it doesn't take long. You can see I just got an email from Pocket Option. You can see. So over here you have placed a withdrawal request for $50.02 via Theta USDT TRC20. So they will give you the withdrawal ID, the date and time, the amount, the protocol you are using, which is withdrawal method, and you have the status. Your status says processing. You understand? So basically, that's how you make your withdrawals, and it's as simple as that. Now, if your withdrawal is taking maybe some few days, what you need to do, maybe it's taking a lot of time and you really want to check the status, what you need to do is you click on this profile thing, then you come to finance, then you come to history. When you get to this page, you click on history. Now when you click history, you will see the history of your withdrawals. So you can just click withdrawals here, then you scroll down, you see this one now. It says status in queue, so it tells you that your withdrawal is in queue. Now immediately your withdrawal is completed, this is how it will look. It's going to look like this. You will see completed. Now immediately you see completed, your money should have been sent to your wallet. It's as simple as that. Now at this point, you can still cancel the withdrawal and your money would come back into your pocket option balance, but I'm not going to do that right now. You understand? I think I'll make another video when the money drops, so that I can actually tell you how fast, or how usually it doesn't take long. This around 4 o'clock right now. So when the money drops in my Binance, I'll make another video to show you, and I would round off the video by then. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So we got the payment in now, so let me quickly show you. So the payment came in, I think it came in around 5:05. So we did the withdrawal. We made the withdrawal request around 3:58, and we got the payment in around 5:05. Let's just say roughly 1 hour 10 minutes. Usually in time past, it has always come in faster like that, but this time around I really don't know why it came in a bit late, I would say, because usually within 30 minutes, sometimes 35 minutes, it's in, but it took roughly an hour and 10 minutes here. But no problem, let me quickly take you to the page right now. So we'll come back here, we'll click on finance, and then you can see the history. The number on the history is no more there. So if you click history and you click withdrawals, so if you go back here now, you can see the withdrawal request we made is completed, and you can see the status says completed. So basically that's how it is, and this is the payment in the Binance. So this is a payment just came in Binance now. So that's basically how to make withdrawals, especially with with crypto. Now for other payment options or payment method might be different, but this is how I do it basically. Now I'll be putting my affiliate links for my Binance account and also Bybit, and some other affiliate links that are very, very useful to everyone that does something like this. So I'll be putting my affiliate links in the description below. You can check it out. I'm not being sponsored by Pocket Option or Binance or any other exchange like that. I'm just doing this basically because I use their services. So basically, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section, and guys, let's vibe on this particular videos. Check my previous videos to watch every one, and if you have any question, put it right here. This particular video was requested by one of my subscribers, and that's why I'm making it, so I can actually make one video for you also if I see your request and I'm not able to answer it in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.